I'm absolutely buzzing to be doing this video. One, because my brows look almost full. Let's just put that out there. This one not so much, but this one, it's up there. Big-headed much. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're looking a bit brows only and barefaced, but I'm so excited to be doing this video. I am so excited to be doing this video, should I say. So yeah, I have this chair is so squeaky, so if I'm talking you can hear this. It's this fucking chair I'm sitting on. Kind of readjusting myself so it shouldn't keep making the noise, but you know it's a chair. If it makes noise, I don't really give a fuck. Okay, that was my address, and let's not do that and show everyone my address. But yeah, we got my little Beauty Babe parcel, which I'm absolutely buzzing about. Yes, I literally haven't even opened this yet. As you can see, the seal is still here. So I'm actually going to be doing like an unboxing of it, I guess. I was going to get all of the collection, but it was going to cost me £100, and I was like, bitch, no. Yeah, I'm actually planning to go on holiday, so need to save my coin. Okay, I don't know why I'm starting when I haven't got like anything on my face yet. Actually, let's just go ahead and open it because I'm excited, and I bet you're excited, even though you already saw this, but whatever. Have I even said what this is? Well, obviously you would have saw from the title, but this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I'm so excited, and when I saw this palette, I wasn't all that intrigued, but then I looked a bit closer and I realised the colours and how different for ABH this was. So that makes me so excited to like actually get it quite early on as well, because for me, this is quite early on that I've actually got it. I would usually wait a good couple of months till the palette's been out and then get it. I've got this one more or less straight away because I knew I wanted to do a review on it, and that's something I want to start doing on my channel when like a new collection is released. I might not be buy the full collection, but buy the main thing and review it for you guys. So if that is something you want to say, please give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, go subscribe. Can't be watching my videos and not subscribing. Who do you think you are? I used to do that all the time in my other videos. I don't do it no more, but I'm gonna start doing it again because it's like a little catchphrase. So make sure you go subscribe. Thanks. Let's open this little box. I'm actually so excited. Well, that was a fail. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I forgot that I got a mini brow wiz as well, and I've already done my brows. Should I take them off? No, because I was literally just saying how much I like them. We'll definitely use this in my next video. So yeah, the why I forgot is because I got the brow wiz for free. If you bought the palette, you got a free little mini brow wiz. Oh my god, this is so odd. So it's like a little sample. It's actually so small. I don't know if I'm going to be there. So this is probably the best we're going to get right now, but this is just what it looks like. And then this is again what it looks like. It's just like a little pencil. I love this. It's pretty just like a basic standard packaging material that you would get. I love the fact that this is like different, so it does stand out a bit. Absolutely love the stripe detail on it. It is very summery, and it does remind me of like the beach. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like, do you know, like a deck chair. And then you've got obviously all the information and the shades on the back. And from here, just the bright colours. I'm in love. And also before, when I was thinking about, before I did this video, the fact that you actually get free brush in it as well. So £46, you can't. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why did I take the palette out of the box halfway through a sentence? I don't know, and I can't even finish my own sentence now, so fab. The material of this is very different to what I expected. It's like a denim material, just your standard ABH kind of like shape and size, so pretty everything normal. Everything's pretty normal with that. I mean, it looks so nice. Oh, that's so creamy. Oh my god. Okay. That's stunning. I want to definitely go in with pink and purple. You know me, and I've been loving dramatic looks at the minute, so I'm definitely going to go in with something dramatic. And I also love the fact they have a matte white in here, which is actually very pigmented. Wow. I'm just going to use like kind of like all the bright shades, I think. Yeah, Inheritance Sage. I'm not even going to pronounce that. Not going to try. You still get some of like your neutral tones, so you still can do something quite neutral with it. All your names are printed on the palette, which I do prefer, because when you get your names on a little sheet like this, I just throw them in the bin. I can't keep them. Obviously your standard little peel thing for your mirror, your brush in a little package. Nothing to complain about, kind of like the quality and that luxury you would expect from a brand like ABH. I'm just gonna go in with the concealer that I always use. Also, I like how I haven't actually done an intro for this. I've literally just came on, toy. I'm so excited. Toy I've got, and we've got straight into it. Yeah, that's how excited I am. I'm all over the place. But yeah, we're starting now. This is the start. Maybe let's do like a transition here, so then it looks like I've done an intro. That was just a really long intro. I don't know, let's just do it anyways. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to use my All Covered 12 by Inglot. I was going to try and use a different concealer just for the purposes that I feel like I use the same thing all the time. I use the same thing all the time because it works. Okay, so I've literally just had to take like a 20-minute break or something. Like, my memory card was full, and then everything just didn't want to work. It didn't want to transfer my MacBook. nightmare. And that was all in the process of why my concealer was drying on my eyelids, so now it just looks a bit weird. But by the time I've had a good 20 minutes to blend it out and sort it, I'm all good and ready to go now. I was saying I'm just going to use the same kind of base that I'd always use just because I know it does work. Obviously I use it all the time so I know it works, rather than changing it and then thinking it could have been that, if that makes sense. Yeah, let me zoom in. I think I am going to use the brush from the package. I think it's a really nice brush, so I already do have one. First shade I'm going to go in with is the shade. I always do pink looks recently, so I'm trying to stay clear of pink, but I am going to blend the purple out with the pink, but I'm going to take this shade Hands. Also, I'm the worst at like pronouncing things, so if I do pronounce anything wrong, I'm sorry, I'm just a thick shit. Yeah, I'm going to take the shade Cans, which I believe is a pressed pigment. I'm sure it's Cans, Palm and Bahamas. So I'm sure it's this one, and this one, which then 3 are all pressed pigments. Kind of like the usual, kind of like kickback as to what you would have on any kind of palette. Don't know if you can see that very well because of the shine, but yeah, just the kind of usual. So I'm going to start by just packing this in my crease. There has been a little bit of fallout already, but as I said, this is a pressed pigment, the shade, so that's kind of expected, if I'm honest. This is why I always do my eyes first for that reason. So yes, it does have a little bit of fallout, not all that much, but I would just advise that you do your eyes first. To be honest, that is a really vibrant purple, probably the best purple eyeshadow I have. I am going to be doing a half cut crease as always. So yeah, as you can see, I've literally took that all the way along my crease area. Okay, so I've packed that colour on both of my eyes. I know it looked absolutely crazy. I always use the technique of putting the darkest colour down and blending it out that way. Just in case this is the first video you have watched of mine, yeah, this is the way I work. So now I'm going to take Bahamas, which is that bright neon pink. Again, probably the same amount of kickback. So I'm just going to place that right on the edge. Oh my god, that looks amazing. So yeah, I'm just doing what I would usually do with any other shadow, kind of placing it on the corner and just blend it out, and you can see they are blending together very nice. But I feel like this brush isn't the best. It is okay and it is working, but I don't know, there's just something about it. It's not picking up as much pigment as I would like it to, but it is working, to be fair. So okay, so I am gonna have to change brush because I just feel like this brush is just not doing it for me right now. Take a Spectrum B06 brush, kind of one of my normal blending brushes I always use, and this picks up a lot more product. Instantly you can see the difference. Well, to me I can. I don't know if you can see it on camera. So what I did there was just wipe the excess off my brush, and I'm now just using the shadow that is on my lid and just like kind of like hovering around, or in the brush, hovering around, I don't even know what I'm on about right now, buff into the lid, kind of move it around a bit, and that's how you're gonna get that like even blend. I do really like these shadows. So yeah, I'm now just gonna go back over the top of that purple just to really make sure it's coming through. I'm now just gonna go with a pencil brush just on those edges and kind of buff the pink and purple together. So I do feel like that's a really nice blend. I don't really need any more. I'm just really making sure this inner part is really defined because I will be cutting the crease, as I said. So I just want to make sure that the purple will still be showing through. So I'm taking that a little bit higher than usual. So sorry if I was totally out of focus for like any of that. I do wish there was like a darker blue in here. I know so many people have said that as well. What I'm probably going to do now is cut my crease. I will do this off camera because I don't really feel it's necessary to do it on camera, and you see me do it quite a lot in all of my videos. And if you're here just to see a review of the palette, you don't really need to see me cut my crease. If you would like to see me cut my crease, I have a good few videos of me doing half cut creasing on my channel. I will link my previous video here so you can go watch that. Yeah, my previous one is I did 2 completely different eye looks on myself but still went together. It was like a rainbow look all together, so that'll be linked here if you want to go watch it. But I'm just going to jump off camera, cut my crease, and I'll be back. Okay, so here I am back with my creases cut. I'm now just going to take that shade Canvas, so the purple, sorry, Cans, the purple. I'm just going to pat that over the edges of this just to make sure everything's blended, because I have took the gel liner into the shadow but I haven't took the shadow back along into it. I'm now going to take the shade Bahamas, that bright pink, and also just put that here. There we are, that's what we're left with it looking like after I've just put so now I'm going to go in with some of the shimmer shades on my lid. So first I'm going to take that bright white called Sails, and I'm just going to take this on the inner corner. It is a really nice white, this. I can imagine me dipping into here for the white quite a lot. Now I'm going to go in with that bright yellow shade, which is the gold, this one here, and that's called Inheritance. So I'm literally just going to put that here. Oh wow, that hardly even needs anything. The shimmers are so nice. I'm now gonna go in with the shade, is it Seychelles? I don't even know at this point. It's this bright green shade, and I'm just gonna put that kind of like in the middle. So yeah, I'm just blending this in with the yellow, because then I'm gonna put another shade there. I'm gonna take the shade Palermo, and this is this pink shimmer shade. Obviously I'm just putting this here because I put a pink on the outer corner, so I thought that'd look nice. Oh my god, that is literally stunning. I don't like the white, so I'm just gonna go over this with that bright yellow. I love the way that looks. For this other side, I'm gonna just use the same shades but just damp, and I've got to say it is making it a lot brighter. From literally just the minute I'm packing it on, it looks a lot more foiled, which is expected with any shimmer shadow when you wet the brush. So there we are, you can see the difference when I have wet my brush. So of course I'm gonna go over this one after. I would say just use the shimmers wet from the get-go, you definitely get a lot better payoff. So now on this eye, I'm just gonna go in with that deep blue. It has kind of transferred up here, but since the shadows are wet on this eye, it just looks a whole lot neater. Oh my god, that pink shade is amazing. So I'm absolutely in love with this. I love this eye a whole lot more than this eye. Not gonna lie, this just looks a lot more tidier. The shadows haven't really went everywhere, whereas on this eye I think it looks a little bit more messy, but then again, this is the eye that I did first, so the second eye that I do always goes better. I just put all of my base makeup on apart from highlight, and I've got my lashes on. So I want to go in and do the underneath of my eyes now, and I'm going to take the shade Bahamas just right underneath. I kind of want it to be more pink underneath. Now a little bit closer to the lash line, I'm going to take that purple again. I'm kind of just taking this on a winged liner brush. So yeah, there we go, that's the under eyes done. I can't decide if I want to put a white in my waterline. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put a white in my waterline. So I now have zoomed it out just to finish the rest of this look. Sorry, I had like the tiniest bit of purple on my cheek, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm really happy with it. So now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia glow kit. I'm taking the shades Marshmallow and Butterscotch mixed, and I'm just obviously putting this on the tops of my cheekbones. I thought, why not use other Anastasia products that I have, you know. I absolutely love this palette though, it's so nice. I used to use this glow kit literally every day. And I'm also taking the shade Marshmallow right on the inner corner, and then I'm going to take some on the brow bone as well. So now I'm just going to go and finish off with lips. I'm going to use the MAC Oak lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is the shade Stripped. Yeah, this is literally a shade that I use every day. So that is this makeup look finished. My thoughts on the palette are I absolutely love it. Don't regret buying it at all. Absolutely worth the money. I'm so excited that Anastasia has actually done a palette like this, and the shadows blended out fine, but I would use the shimmers with a little bit of a setting spray or even water, just yeah, dampen the shadows a little bit, because they work so much better and it's just so much cleaner, especially when doing a cut crease. Can't wait to use this palette and maybe do a neutral look with it. If you would like to see a neutral look with this palette, please let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm not going to make this long. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you do want to see more of these kind of review videos, please let me know down below. I'll give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's really it from me. Also, my socials are down below, everything I also use. That's it from me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.